Hello friends, welcome to my creative and unique popular educational channel to watch more creative videos on Node.js. As we have gone through plenty of videos, many videos on Node.js such as login and registration, user management, employee management, book management, library management, job portal, event management, online exam, session management, and online bookstore, and many more, and interaction connection of Node.js with React.js. Today's video is really creative and interesting. I told you many times in my videos on Python that I will be back with more and more creative videos on Node.js in really different style. So I am back with new creative videos on Node.js in really different style. Today's video is about username and password validation using Node.js. So first of all, we'll go through the Node file. Then loading the drivers, Express framework. Since we need to run Node.js on the backend and browser, we need Express framework. So first line should be in Node.js should be Express framework. Then MySQL driver for then port 3000. Session management, since we are interacting with the MySQL database, and for username and password, that's why Express session is required. Connection string, then this session, it is something like what we call since it is a secured session in the sense there is no chance of this part is of security. Man, that is very important when you are handling session ending. Since MySQL is the database server and Express framework is interacting with the database server, so session is established, and template engine, EJS template engine, then login form will be there, and username password which the user enters that password, then check the username and password, and if the length is greater than 0, then logged in success, and this thing login successful. And after we need to verify the username and password, so that's why these will be displayed from the account table, all the information that employee ID, name, email ID and password we need to verify. Render template means it will be back with login form. After doing this, it will display on the same page, and server is running on the port number 3000. Now here we have taken data. So I will clarify this. Here template file is there. Here we have taken data. So creating a template file is really a difficult task. I have modified many template files when I was doing more videos on Node.js. It is very critical file. Be careful about this file. Unless and until you properly maintain this file, data will not be displayed. Dynamic web page will not be created. So be careful when writing this EJS template engine file. And here data is written, that data is here. Now I will execute the program for server username and password validation. Now here we can check. I told you that records of the account will be displayed on the same page, and now I will enter the username Sachin, password Sachin123. Yes, login successful. If I enter this password 4, then it will tell incorrect username and password. Then again I will go with Amit Yes, login successful. So I successfully verified the username and password using Node.js with MySQL database. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more and interesting and small videos on Node.js. Since I am back on Node.js after a long interval, I will be showing some videos on Node.js in really different style. I hope you admire this. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So for latest update about web development, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.